evening, student. Today we will continue our chapter legislature. First of all, we will revise this chapter once again. According to the Constitution of India, government has three organs: legislative, executive, and judicial. And legislative include Parliament, Rajya Sabha, and Parliament. In Parliament, because India has adopted bicameral Parliament, so Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. And executive है president, judicial, supreme court. Clear? Now the functions of the government, three organs of the government. All of you know that government has three organs. Legislative, the main function of legislature is to make law, and the second organ is executive, and the main function of this executive is to enforce law, and third is judiciary. Judiciary main function is to interpret laws, or you can say that to explain laws. Okay, now we will do this in more detail also. Government of India, central. We are doing the central government. All of you know that in India, administration is running at two levels: central level and state level. First of all, we are doing central level. Executive, we are taking first of all executive. Executive consists of president, vice president, and cabinet minister. And what is the responsibility? You can say that what is the function of this? To pass the laws made by the legislature. And legislature of parliament which consists of Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, and Prime Minister. And the main function of legislature is to make law. And the third organ is judicial, and which include Supreme Court of India. And what is the responsibility of judiciary? To solve conflict between executive and legislature, or other public related matter or conflicts. Now we are starting with legislature. Why do we need a parliament? हमें parliament, why we need parliament in a democratic country? Because we are living in a democratic India, and India is the largest democracy of the world. Clear? First of all, law making is the main function of legislature, because all of you know that the main function of legislature is to make law. In modern democracy, it is the main source of law, because people are the main source of power in democracy. And in legislature, they elect the people, and those people make laws for them. Okay. Second, in representative form of democracy, the legislature helps the people in holding the representative accountable. Representative form means when we elect our representative, we elect our leaders, and they go to Lok Sabha or okay. In parliament form of government, the legislative control the cabinet, because the leaders elected by us control the cabinet. And the parliament is the open forum of debate. Parliament provides a platform where our rulers can discuss our problem there, and the law which were made by them will be beneficial for us. It is the most important representative of all organs of government. The parliament is vested with the power to choose and dismiss the government. Above all, it is the center of all democratic and political process. Legislature. Legislature, you can say that legislature can be of two types: bicameral legislature and unicameral legislature. Bicameral legislature, a legislature having two houses, is called bicameral legislature in India, because parliament has two houses, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Clear? And unicameral legislature, a legislature having only one house, जहाँ एक ही house होता है, that is unicameral legislature like UK. Clear? Distinction between unicameral and bicameral legislature. First of all, unicameral. Responsibility is located. If there is only one organ, then responsibility will be only for one house, hasty legislation. Hasty means jaldbazi. Okay, if in unicameral legislature the decision can be hasty, okay, leads to despotism. Despotism means, you can say, dictatorship. If there will be one house, then that will dictate the house. There is no delay in legislation. Why? Because all the power of decision making will be in one hand, and so decision will be taken easily or in time. No occasions for legislative deadlocks. Okay, no duplication of work. No duplication of work means all the work will be done in on time, and there will be no duplication in the work. Few countries are following unicameral. Workload is heavy. If there will be one house in the parliament, then work will be automatically heavy. Workload will be automatically heavy. Economy of national expenditure. Okay, and no scope for representation to minorities and other interests. Minorities are those people who are in less numbers. Okay, if there will be one houses, then minority will not get representation. Okay, and bicameral means responsibility divided. If there will be two houses, then the responsibility will be divided. Check on hasty legislation means if a bill makes, if a law makes in a hasty decision will be taken, then it will be checked by the second house. Okay, check the despotism means there will be no dictatorship. Delay in legislation because the bill will go in one house and then it will go in second house. It will take time. Occasion for legislature deadlock. Okay, next, duplication of work because आई जाएगा नेक्स्टली बात है. Many countries are following bicameral. In many countries, bicameral legislature is there. Reduces the workload. If there will be two houses, it will reduce the workload. Higher expenditure. If there will be two houses, then expenditure will be double. And scope for representation to minorities and other interests. Because due to bicameral legislature, if two houses are there, then everyone gets the representation. Okay, why do we need two houses of parliament? Okay, हमें क्यों ज़रूरत है two houses of parliament की? Country with large size and much diversity. Because India is a populous country, second populous country, and a lot of religion, culture, or you can say that languages people are living there. So we need a second house. Okay, in order to give representation to all region and section of the society people. Second, a bicameral legislature make it possible to have every decision considered and thus prevent hasty decision. Clear? In a federation, and the second chamber as the council of state give representation to the different state. Because in Rajya Sabha people get geographically representation, and state get the representation. Okay, the senior and experienced person can be accommodated through nomination or indirect election. And next you will come to know, or you have already done in 10th class, because the 12 members are nominated by the President of India in Rajya Sabha. Okay, and these are the experienced and the perfect person in their field. Okay, eminent persons from different areas can be included through nomination. Clear? Now, Parliament. Lok Sabha, House of People. Rajya Sabha, Council of State. Meaning of Parliament. Meaning of word Parliament is a word derived from the French expression Parlement, which means speaking, and Latin word Parliamente, which means talking, discussion. Okay, it means baat karna. Okay, or taking shop where we can discuss national and international issues. Different names of legislature. In India, Parliament is known as Sansad. Okay, other nations have their own name. Diet in Japan, Congress in United States, okay, and Parliament in UK. Clear. Functions of legislature. Legislative function. Legislative function means law-making function. The main function of legislature is to make law. Control of executive and ensuring the accountability. The legislature can ask question to the executive, what we are doing. Council of Minister, okay, and it will make them accountable. Mean they will be answerable to us also. Financial function. In legislature, because India has two houses, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, and all the money will be presented in Lok Sabha, okay. And debating function, the main function of Parliament is to debate, okay. It is a big platform for discussing the problems of the people, okay. Constitutional amendment, if people, if you want, if there is a need of change in constitution, then both the houses will be involved in this, okay. Electoral function, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha involved in the election of president, vice president, okay. In Lok Sabha, members, speaker, okay. Judicial function, these are the functions of legislature, okay. Indian Parliament, Lok Sabha, lower house भी बोलते हैं, lower house by house of people, because in this house is related to common people. The member of this house is elected by the common people. आगे mother of Indian executive, okay. Members 550 to 530 from states and 20 from union territory, and 2 from two nominated by the President of India of Anglo-Indian जिसके whose father or mother, one is Indian and one is British or any other caste. Tenure 5 years, dissolved at any time by President. Reservation for SC, ST and Anglo-Indian, but no reservation for OBC and women. Direct election, it means the member of the Lok Sabha is elected by the people of India directly. Rajya Sabha, state house, okay. Member 250, 238 from state and 12 from nominated by the President of India. It is a permanent house, it means it cannot be dissolved by the President, okay. Tenure 6 years, but 1/3 members retire after 2 years. No reservation for SC, ST. No equal representation to state. It means geographical. If the state is big, then more member will be elected from the Indian indirect election. It means the people choose by us will elect the member of Rajya Sabha. What is the qualification to become an MP? He should be an Indian citizen. He should complete the age of 25, but for a Rajya Sabha, it should be 30 years. Okay. He does not carry any joint under central or state government, means कोई job ना करता उस government. And the person who punished for a criminal or offence should not elect the Lok Sabha. They are elected for the period of 5 years, but if this is the member of Parliament, it means you can say that it is for Lok Sabha. Rajya Sabha, it's a permanent house for 6 years, and after 2 years, 1/3 members retires. Okay, Lok Sabha. Power of Lok Sabha: make laws on matter included in union list, concurrent list, can introduce and enact money and non-money bills. Lok Sabha union list means in union list those subjects are included which are of national importance. You have okay. I will give it with detail in the next topic. Okay, and all the money, all the bills related to union list and concurrent list. The law related to concurrent list will also be made by the Lok Sabha. Approve or money bill can be presented in Lok Sabha only, not in Rajya Sabha or ordinary bill. Second, approve proposal for taxation, budget and annual financial statement. Third, control the executive by asking questions from Council of Minister. Okay, supplementary question, resolution, resolution and motions you can say that no confidence motion, we will do it in the method of controlling the executive. Okay, amend the constitution if there is a need in the amendment in the need of amendment in the constitution, then Lok Sabha will be also included in it. Okay, approve the proclamation of emergency. Emergency, you can say that the emergency power you have already done, article 352, article 356 and article 360. Okay, if there is a need of emergency, the president cannot proclaim this by its own, but there is a approval from parliament also. Okay, elects the president and vice president and remove judges of Supreme Court and High Court. Okay, establishes committee, commission and consider their report. Rajya Sabha consider and approves non-money bill. All of you know that money bill can be presented in Lok Sabha only, but ordinary bill can be presented in Rajya Sabha. Constitutional amendment, if there is a need of constitution, then Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha will be equally powerful. Exercise control over executive by asking question, introducing motion and resolution. Okay, and participate in the election and removal of the president, vice president, judges of Supreme Court, High Court. It can also initiate the procedure for removal of vice president. Okay, next, can give the union parliament power to make laws on matter included in the state list. We have three lists. Okay, union list, four lists, sorry, union list, state list, concurrent list and residential list. Union list or concurrent list now made by Lok Sabha, but on state list now made by Rajya Sabha. Okay, two special power of Rajya Sabha. The Rajya Sabha enjoy two exclusive power: the power to declare a subject of state list as a subject of national importance. Okay, I have already told you that national importance subjects included in union list. Okay, and if the power Rajya Sabha has a power to declare that the subject of a state list is the subject of national importance, so it should be included in union list. The Rajya Sabha can pass a resolution by 2/3 majority of its members for declaring a stately subject as a subject of national importance. Clear? Now these are the questions. You will do it in your notebook. Okay. Thank you.